Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to edit shorts in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. After opening the app, then tap on New Project. Now click to add a video as your new project. Once you add the video, click to edit the video. You can edit the video by using the given options like split, speed, animation, style, camera tracking, delete, and so many features. Then go back and tap on the audio button. You can see the different options in here. After editing your video, click on your share icon from the top right corner to save this video after editing the video. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.